There is a place in the north of Romania where time doesn't rush forward, it gently lingers. A land where silence speaks and beauty reveals itself slowly. Welcome to Bukovina, the land of painted faith. Here, mountains breathe through ancient forests, roads carve their way through clouds, and every sunrise feels untouched. This is not just a destination, it is a feeling you carry with you. They call it the land of monasteries. But what you find here goes far beyond walls and history. At the heart of it all stands Voronezh Monastery, where a shade of blue became eternal, the famous Voronezh blue, not just a color, but a mystery that has endured for centuries. In Gura Humerali, adventure meets serenity. A suspended bridge above the river, a chairlift rising toward the sky, a zip line that cuts through the forest, and a panoramic wheel that lets you see it all from above. Further on, Transraro Road unfolds like a dream, a road among giants, leading to the legendary Pietrele Doamne, where stone meets sky. And for those who dare to look beyond the edge, Piatra Șoimului Skywalk offers a perspective you will never forget. In Dragomirna Monastery, elegance rises in silence. At Putna Monastery, faith becomes legacy and history becomes sacred. Beyond the well-known paths, places like St. John Jacob Monastery Colasini and St. Mina Monastery Roșiori whisper stories only the patient traveller can hear. Bukovina is not just something you see, it's something you feel in the quiet of its forests, in the echo of its monasteries, in the light that touches its hills at sunset. So, if you are searching for beauty, for meaning, or simply for a place that still feels real, come to Bukovina and discover a world that never needed to change to remain unforgettable.